What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Altcoin Chief, where we talk about crypto and blockchain. If you haven't already, make sure you click the subscribe button so you don't miss any crypto gems for this upcoming bull run. It is undoubtable that crypto as a whole goes through many cycles and many trends. And we are approaching the Bitcoin halving. It is currently around 300 days away. So, at this point, we need to be looking at trends that happened in the past cycle, and then we can learn about what we can expect in the near future. So, going on to the top crypto categories by market cap on CoinGecko, we can see that there are few categories in crypto. One of them being pure DeFi. So, you can look at it as infrastructure for the entire crypto space. And in the past, we have seen the DeFi rise being one of the very first trends of new cycles. So, given that we are approaching the new cycle right now, because Bitcoin is having its halving around 300 days from now, we need to be looking at DeFi and infrastructure, because that's the basic money flow. Money flows into Bitcoin, then Ethereum, then pure DeFi, and then to lower caps and more speculation. So one of the main pillars of DeFi is infrastructure, as we said. And infrastructure is where today's project that we're talking about slots in. And that is Goracle. Goracle is an Oracle provider. And as we know, oracles play a vital role in bridging the gap between the real world and blockchain networks. They provide external data and off-chain information to smart contracts, enabling them to interact with real-world events. Because right now, if you want to create anything on the blockchain, you are limited to the data on the actual blockchain. So if you want some sort of plugins that give you the data when it comes to prices of assets or other things in the real world, you need oracles. And Oracle providers are infrastructure for the DeFi. And one of those Oracle providers is Goracle, as we said. Their mainnet launch on Algorand blockchain is only 3 days away at the time of creating this video. So that will be July the 5th when it comes to the actual date that you should put in your calendar. And actually July the 6th, which is 1 day after the mainnet launch, the GORA token will launch as well. So what is the purpose of the GORA token? GORA is the fuel that powers the Goracle network ecosystem. It serves multiple purposes, including accessing Oracle services, participating in governance decisions, and incentivizing node operators to provide accurate and reliable data. So as an enterprise and as builders, you want the most accurate data you can have. And what's interesting with oracles is that you don't need to marry one Oracle provider. That's why an abundance of Oracle providers is often needed in crypto, because you want to have a main Oracle and then backup oracles as well. So being interested in Oracle providers, many Oracle providers, doesn't necessarily mean that you bet that this will do better than others. If you are interested in Oracle infrastructure, you can bet on multiple players in that field, because the builders and enterprises often rely on multiple oracles. And as always, I'm going to leave some links in the description of this video for you to conduct your own research. As always, conducting your own research is necessary in this space, and you have to remember that you want to invest only the amount you are willing to lose in crypto. So if you are interested in the token IDO, which is still taking place at the time of creating this video on TokenSoft, Pool's IDO was sold out very quickly. And if you are also interested in the actual token distribution, that is available in the link in the description of this video. But as you can see, there is plenty of depth when it comes to token distribution. So if you are doing your own research, this is the place to visit. Also, the Goracle team puts security and integrity at the forefront of their mission. And I'll also link an audit which was conducted just a few days ago and is being updated on a regular basis with observations, token strengths, protocol analysis, and much more. So again, that's also one of those links that you want to take a deep dive into when it comes to conducting your own research. The Goracle team also included a brief description about the project on their website, and I think that's one of the crucial pieces for you to get going and understand what the project is about. So let's dive in and listen in.
You may have heard that blockchain smart contracts will revolutionize the way the world exchanges value and dramatically change the way we work, live, and play. But how? Smart contracts are tamper-proof digital agreements that automate transactions like payouts, loans, and dispute resolutions between two entities in a secure, efficient, and trusted manner. But for smart contracts to reach their potential, they need to securely collect real data from the outside world. That's where oracles come in. Because smart contracts cannot inherently get data from outside their native blockchain, they need an oracle that is as secure as the blockchain it's built on. Goracle is the first pure proof-of-stake consensus oracle, bringing proper decentralization, speed, security, and functionality for data aggregation and verification of arbitrary data, VRF, and off-chain computation to Algorand. Think of it this way. With a proper oracle network, developers can build the apps that function as decentralized marketplaces, lending protocols, ASA, and liquidity tracking tools. This enables an exponential increase in smart contracts functionality, in turn, leading to better and more robust applications, increasing user growth on the apps and the Algorand ecosystem as a whole. Oracle networks like blockchains need to have proper decentralization, security, speed, reliability, and trustlessness. Goracle has all of this covered. For more information, visit goracle.io.
Goracle will also undoubtedly support multiple blockchains. And when it comes to news about releases, updates, and everything Goracle, it is recommended that you guys follow them on Twitter, because that's where all the news and developments go firsthand. So given that we are currently on the brink of a new cycle, and as we said, the money flow is always the same: Bitcoin, then Ethereum, then pure DeFi and infrastructure. This is the time to be looking at those infrastructure coins, I think. So let me know what you think about Goracle, and also let me know about your picks when it comes to infrastructure coins in the comment section of this video. And to finish off, we'd like to thank the Goracle team for sponsoring this video, and all the links that we've mentioned are in the description for you to research. This is it for today. I will see you in the next one.